Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the pattern we are going to learn to knit today. This is the unique pattern. You can use this pattern in your baby's sweater, lady's sweater, gent's sweater and baby's blanket as well. See, this is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this, wrong side looks beautiful as well. See, and I have also done in two colors here. See, it looks like a heart. See, so this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 4 and plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 4 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 4 plus 4 plus 4, 3 times 4 12 and plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, row 1 right side knit all stitches, row 1 right side knit all stitches, row 2 wrong side, row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches, row 3 right side, row 3 right side knit all stitches, row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches, row 5. Now row 5 edge stitch slip, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, and then on this stitch we're gonna make this pattern. So we're gonna draw 4 loops. First we're gonna draw a loop first here, start from here, from up to down, right? Draw a loop from here, 1, and wrap the yarn around. We're gonna do this 4 times. So 1, draw a loop, wrap the yarn around, 2, draw a loop, wrap the yarn around, 3, one more time, draw a loop, wrap the yarn around, 4 times, right? And then knit this stitch, and now pass all these loops over this one stitch. See, that's the repeat. This is the repeat, knit 3 and this stitch, this pattern. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Knit 3 and draw loop, wrap the yarn around 1, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 2, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 4, and then knit 1 and pass over like so. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, draw loop, 1, wrap the yarn around 1, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 2, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 4, and this one stitch, knit and then pass over. Right, and your last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, okay, see, row 7, knit all stitches. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, edge stitch, slip and knit 1. Now start the repeat from here. After these 2 stitches for repeat pattern, we are going to make this pattern. So draw loop, wrap the yarn around 1, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 2, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 4 times, and then knit 1 and pass over. See, and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat from here to here. This stitch and knit 3. Again, draw loop, knit 1, draw loop and wrap the yarn around 1, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 2, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 4, and then knit 1 and pass over. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 1, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 2, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 4, and then knit 1 and then pass over. One more repeat, knit 3, 1, 2, 3. We have done 3 repeats here. 1, 2, 3. We have done 3 repeats here, and your last 3 stitch, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 1, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 2, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 3, draw loop, wrap the yarn around 4, and then knit 1 and knit 1 and pass over, and 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. This is 1 repeat. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.